New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell's former bodyguard Jeffrey Vappie enters a not guilty plea in federal court this morning. This just days after Mayor Cantrell pled not guilty to corruption charges stemming from an alleged affair. We have live team coverage on all what happened in court this morning. Let's go first to WDSU reporter Aubrey Killian with more on today's arraignment. Aubrey.
Hey, that's right. So Vappie pled not guilty right behind me here at federal court. If convicted, he could face decades in prison. So take a look. We were there when Vappie walked really straight into the courthouse with his attorneys. Our cameras, they were rolling. Prosecutors, they do allege that he spent taxpayer dollars on a series of romantic getaways with Mayor Cantrell, then allegedly schemed to cover it all up. Today in court, Vappie, he was very tight-lipped. His attorneys spoke before he entered that not guilty plea, claiming that Vappie was loyal and they say is, quote, collateral damage in this investigation. They claim that these are matters of personal conduct, not crimes. His attorneys say at trial that's when Vappie will tell his story. They say they will win, but prosecutors have laid out a very detailed indictment saying this is public corruption and they can prove it. I press Vappie for answers. Do you feel you defrauded the city?
Today is that's all we're going to say, but
Has this experience been difficult for you to explain to your family? Does he feel he tarnished the NOPD badge?
I know Jeff would love to talk to you guys today, but he has two lawyers who won't let him do it. But thank you all for being here.
Thank you, Sean.
Does he feel he tarnished the badge?
Thank you all.
Are you able to answer that one?
Have a good day. Take care, Aubrey. And we are counting on all of you to be there and to scrutinize in court what we have to say. Excuse me. Sorry.
What should be scrutinized most?
Well, you know, I have to, at this point, refer back to our statement, Aubrey. But we are looking forward to this trial.
And Vappie's trial is set for January. WDSU reporter Anam Siddiqui also picking up our live team coverage. Anam, you spoke with prosecutors. What did they say?
Yeah, Aubrey, I was able to catch prosecutors as they were leaving the courthouse. I asked them if Jeffrey Vappie's actions embarrassed the New Orleans Police Department. They say they didn't want to speak on the case, but I do have video of them. If you take a look at your screen, we have video of the two lead prosecutors, who are Jordan Ginsburg and Nick Moses, walking into the courthouse from the front entrance. The hearing was fairly quick, and then after the two prosecutors left through the back door, that's where I am right now, and I got to ask them about the case. Remember, prosecutors allege that Vappie cost the city $70,000 by taking trips with Mayor LaToya Cantrell, lying to the feds, and much more allegations. Take a listen. What was your reaction to Vappie pleading not guilty?
Sorry, we have no comment, but
I
have a great
understand
afternoon.
if you wanted to say anything about the case or
No,
how
not
you're
right now.
preparing.
Thank you.
And of course, we will continue to follow the mayor's case and Vappie's case as they continue to develop. But for now, I'll send it back to you, Daryl.
All right, Anam, thank you so much. And for more on the mayor and Jeffrey Vappie not guilty pleas, stick with WDSU for updates by going to our website, WDSU.com, or download our free WDSU mobile app.